The secret to losing weight each and every week. Believe it or not, it's not a secret at all. Intermittent fasting has been around for hundreds of thousands of years so that we can burn fat at a time that food isn't available. The problem in today's society is food is everywhere. We're not set up to eat all the time. So if you're looking to lose 20, 40, 60, maybe even 80 pounds, start intermittent fasting. Literally allowing your body to rest and burn fat every day. Now, how do you get started? Simplest way to do this is 16-hour fasting window, 8-hour eating window. Is make sure that you're fasting. Consumption of any calories. A little sugar or creamer in your coffee will break that fast. Gum in the morning time can break your fast. Having a soda or smoothies most definitely will break that fast. You think of your body as a light switch. You're either burning what you're putting into it or you're burning the fat that you have stored. This process takes about 12 to 16 hours for you to burn that fat. Again, this is something that you can do forever. Not gonna feel depriving, restrictive. The best parts about this is there's nothing else needed. Of course, I want you to eat healthier as you do this. I want you to feel better. Never need to